I travel to Nepal or Sri Lanka, I feel that in those countries at least there's so much interaction with with other countries, like for instance with India. So you have Sri Lankan students going to India to study, you have Indian students coming to Sri Lanka, you have Indian students going to Nepal, Nepali students going to India. And I feel that Pakistan is missing out. Pakistan and India, this exchange is missing out big time. I mean, we can't even fly directly to each other's country. And I mean, the restrictions, why are these borders, why don't we have open borders? Like, why do we have so many visa restrictions? We are like, the more restrictions you have, the more sort of you're sort of destroying your creativity, right? I mean, the more you open up, हम लोग कुएं के मेंढक तो नहीं रह सकते ना. We need exposure, and we need failures, we need successes, and we need much more exposure. And there was a time when Pakistani artists were going and working in India, but now all that has stopped. And but still, you can't stop art from traveling. Like, for instance, this song in that I was just listening to, it, Ali Sethi Pasuri song. It's like so popular in India. It's crossed the borders. So why can't we have normalize it? Why does it have to be like, oh, one in like 10,000? I mean, normalize it. Have travel. Have freedom of travel. Like, that the analogy is like birds travel. Why can't we all travel? So we really need a visa-free, a hassle-free region where we can all travel to each other's countries, and this is something we hope and something we want to keep working for. And I really feel that Sapan is playing a part, a small part, but a very important part towards that.